Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree. I was running my mouth, so I didn't greet you at the front door. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Neon. Green, yellow, orange, right? I think that's pink. Yeah, here we go. I haven't seen these. The plates, right? The dividers and the cups are here. It's 10 tumblers in here. Oh, these are pretty. So that's rocking. Oh, the tongs and everything, and the neon, and then the kind of red, white, and blue, right? That's rocking over here. It's 20 plates in here. These things are ginormous. They're on the 125, but I'm not sure. I just want to know if they're, you know what I mean? They look like they could be 3, but they're here. I'm back to the neon. Even the bubbles are neon. This is a 3-pack. Yes! The pop-up trash bin. So the pink, the blue, and the clear is rocking. That is crazy. This is a definite in the cart. Oh my goodness. Yes on that. I just need to figure out how many I want. Oh my goodness. Yes. In the cart. Oh, you better stop it on that. Is it? No. Oh no, it's just a green here. It's 50 cups in here. Oh my goodness. For 125. That's crazy. Brava. The 18-ounce cups is rocking. All of these balloon things, 3 balloon stand, right? The balloon hoop. You can do the balloon chandelier, everything balloon. The 4-yard balloon sticks. They rocking. I think these are so pretty. They're plastic, but they're so pretty. I like the detail on them. Yes! Oh my goodness, they're 125. That's crazy. They're huge. Maybe, I don't know. It doesn't even matter. They're 125. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are pretty. It's almost like an ombre, right? Those are really pretty. So that one and this one right here. I think I like that one better. It's like bricky, I feel like. I pulled these down. Look at this. The crosswords. My favorite. So it's the spiral. That's so darn cute. Yellow, blue, and like a dark pink, I feel like. Pinky purple. So yes. Oh, this is nice. A bouquet holder with foam. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. So that's 125. Some candle holders here too in a pack. These are the square ones. And here are the 4-pack right here. Cozy place. Oh, it's candles to go with these too, right? I don't see those. Grapefruit and sweet orange. I wonder how that smells. Scent lasts up to 160 hours. So yeah, I'll give that a try. In the cart. Storage straps. It's a 2-piece for 125. I think these are 2 different lengths, I feel like. Oh yeah, 18 inches and 12 inches are rocking here. It's both are 2 packs. And then they have the cable tie. This girl, hold on. So here's the one I just dropped, and I just saw this. Assorted cable management kit. Why would I get this? It's 3 in here, but it's 3 in here too, and some other goods. So yes, in the cart. Here's a tech kit too, a tech cleaning kit. It's a 6-in-1. This is the only one I see. Oh wow. In the cart. Oh, here's some goop. Stain remover, hand cleaner, multi-purpose, no water needed. This is 5 ounces. It's the original cream formula, so that's rocking. Yes, on the Bambones Plus. This is bison. The bison flavor, right? We're used to chicken and bacon. You better stop it on that. I smell the bite. I can smell it over here. It's strong. In the cart. Oh, and here's the Bambones Dental. Chew toys for under 25 pounds. Miss Hershey like 30. And she doesn't like peanut butter, I feel like, so I'm going to throw this back. But yes on that. Oh, these are new. Disinfects, right? Disinfecting wipes kills 99.9 in 15 seconds. So we putting the seconds on there now. And it's 30 in here instead of 24. Oh yeah, let me get these a try. This is a fresh scent, so that's probably nice. In the cart. So did we see this one? Yes, right? Every time I see the extra, yeah, because we saw these 2 together, I feel like, okay, I haven't peeped the socks. Yes, on the Fruit Loops, I haven't seen these. NASA is rocking, the peanuts. Okay, they don't have too many. Oh, this is a different mac and cheese. That is funny. Precision Beauty is rocking. This looks so pretty, right? Jumbo mesh bath sponges, cleans and exfoliates. The packaging is fire on these. Yes, in the cart. You better stop it on that. Kristen S. Oh my goodness, color conditioner. This is a dark mauve, right? Lavender smoke and a coral rose. Oh my goodness, this is fire. And it's $125. That's crazy. DT is all the way rocking. So you know on the side it shows you the before and the after, which is fire, right? This one right here. Oh, it kind of looks similar a little bit. Let me see this one. You better stop it on it. I am floored right now. So here we go over here. Honestly priced, honestly good. Replenishing hair mask, restore and replenish hair to reveal, rejuvenate, refreshed strands. So yes on that, root to end. So that's rocking. They are fully stocked too. Includes our strand reviving complex. Yes, in the cart. Oh, I don't think I've seen this one. The Little Tykes baby shampoo and wash, calming lavender, and the original scent right here. We saw all of these though. Here's that children's melatonin. I feel like we saw this one, right? It's 10 gummies in here. These are the best heating pads. I will forever rock these on my back. Yes on that. I think I'm fully stocked though, I feel like. Oh, nice. Let me bring it down. Mezco Carnitas, right? Great with pork. The flavor duo. The sauce, right? And then the spice and herb blend to go with it. Yes. In the cart. Oh, here are some bag clips, small bag clips, the different colors. Blue, orange, red, and green. Chefin' by Chefin'. Oh, yeah. Are they magnetic? Oh, yeah. It says it. Miss Girl, right in my face. Oh my goodness. So yes on that. In the cart. Oh, here's Penn State rocking right on top. Yes. Oh, this is a reusable silicone popsicle stick holder. It's two in the air. This color and then the pink right here. Oh my goodness, this was fun. I'm so excited about these pop-up trash bins. So I grabbed one pink and two of the clear ones. The bag clips, yes. I'm about to make this. Right? Some root to end, the disinfectant wipes from Miss Hershey girl. She gonna have fun with that bison. I got her two of them. The bath sponges, I got this for you. The tech cleaning kit, they only had one. And they only had one of these too, the assorted cable management kit. And I'm going to try and see how these are rocking. Yes, I think that's it. This was so fun. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. I was walking to the line up the middle and saw this. And I looked at this. All of this, I was like, oh, we saw that already. And this girl, I did not even notice. Hyaluronic acid and retinol on a hydrating facial serum. Depuff and Firm by Skin Aid Medics. So, yes on that. I'm going to grab you one too. In the cart. All right, bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Pool noodles. Oh wow, one plate and one bowl left. Oh my goodness. Remember the shampoo that I picked up? And it says something about lavender. And I said, oh, I need to get another bottle because here it is. I was gonna say it worked so good on Kara's hair, and I've been to like 3 other DTs and I couldn't find it. Yes on the Petal Fresh Pure, right? Anti-frizz shampoo, calms unruly tangled hair. When I say Kara's hair was so soft, it was so good. I'm so glad I ran into this again in the cart. Some more Kristen S is rocking, right? We saw. And this is the one that I picked up, but I did not see this one. Purple hair mask. Hold on, they having a whole conversation in the other aisle. I can't hear myself. So this one is smaller, and I feel like the purple is for blonde hair, right? Let me know in the comments, but yes on that. So they have both. And as I'm talking to you, I realized that is 4. This is terracotta. We didn't see this one before. We saw these 3. Coral rose, what's this one? Lavender, right? And the dark mauve, yes. So the terracotta is the one I didn't see, and that's how it's rocking on the side with the different colors. So yeah, clinicals. Glowing facial oil with ferulic acid, vitamin C, and vitamin A. I think that's what that says down there. Brightening, soothe, smooth, youthful glow. So that's rocking. Hydrating day and night cream set with hyaluronic acid and squalane. I think that's how you say it. Youthful glow. Again on that youthful glow. So Fasique, is that how you say it? I'm thinking about Cacique. Remember that? Yes on that. In the cart. And here's the one that we saw in the last one. Okay, Miss Girl. I don't see anything. I don't need to stick my hand in there. I'm lying. Eyeshadow guards. This is a set of 10 here. Oh yeah, by B Color. So yes on that. Oh, this is a 2-pack. I feel like we've seen this before. I'm not sure if it was in a 2-pack or not. The Freeman Brightening Cucumber Peel Off Face Mask. And this is the only one I see, so that's rocking. Oh, here are those power strips. So I think these might have been from last year, but I'm not sure. I don't remember seeing them. I did grab one though. I was trying to see what this was. Oh, longer lasting sanding sheets. Oh, okay, no slip grip. It's coarse, 80. I don't know what that means, but that's rocking. I haven't seen that. Oh, here's the 220. Very fine. Oh, I could feel the difference. All right, plaster, sanding, plaster. I done put an L in there. Wait, that's not even a P, that's an F. Faster sanding. Miss Girl, you gotta stop it on that. And 120 is down here, durable backing. Faster sand. Did that one say that? Plaster. Oh my goodness, but you could definitely feel the difference in them. Yes, for my baby, the Arm & Hammer Hypoallergenic Multi-Purpose Pet Wipes. So here's the unscented and here's the tropical mango. Yes on that. In the cart. I think I'm good on the seasonings now. And I don't even see the grow mates over here. All right, quick and fast. Let me see what's rocking. So the wipes for Hershey, right? I grabbed this for you. I grabbed one of these for me and one for you. And I grabbed some more of the anti-frizz shampoo. This is fire on Kara's hair. So yes on that. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, I was walking to the line and saw these. I haven't seen them since the first time I saw them. So the hydration sticks, right? Strawberry, watermelon, lemonade, ice pop, and the blue raspberry is rocking. Yes. All right, bye.